Hey, Moon. Hey, Moon. Beautiful Moon. See, it's not really a moon. It's an extraterrestrial. Watch. What's the matter? You afraid to come by? Huh? You afraid you might get tickle, 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 tickle. That's what he's afraid of. See, he's gone. Watch, I'll do it again. And then it comes. You wanna get tickled? You wanna get tickled? Here you go. I tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. What are you afraid of? I'm pushing you back. It's probably William and Greg in there. I don't think Bill is in there unless he's gone dumb. Tickle, 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 tickle. See, I could kick their ass this way. Where are they? And I got a very heavy duty potion. It's called nail polish remover. Oh, watch me tickle. See? Now, real moon does not break apart like this. That's not a real moon. Extraterrestrial moon. That's Greg, Bill, and William, right? Am I right or not? Yeah. Come on, when you wipe your eyes, you come back down. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tick, 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 tickle, tick, tickle, tick, tickle. Tick, tickle, 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 tick, tickle, tick, 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 tick. Look, see my hands going through the moon? Cause you know why? It's not a moon. The moon is still up in the sky. That's why I could slap this thing silly. See? And there's a moon still up in the sky. I can see it. I see a blue one. I see a blue one. I see something else on the ground. You see it? This is on record. Let's get it up close and see what it is. Wow, look it. They look like the one that was in the oven. Oh, that's the road. Well, they're good with that shape-shifting stuff. Get away from me. Get away from me, you motherfucker.